dangerous is it that you dare to drive with such a serious noise?
I don't know about cars either. What do you think?
Your car is more troublesome. You have to change the steering gear and lower swing arm first, then do a four-wheel alignment. It's best to change the front shock absorber too. Otherwise, it would be too dangerous to lose control of the direction.
How much does it cost?
The whole cost is $3,000. Anyway, you can rest assured that I can fix it for you.
$3,000? Let me ask my friend.
Okay, think about it yourself.
It's not something that can be solved with a few dollars. He wanted to charge you $3,000. Why didn't he grab it? Come on, let's get out of the car and say. First, when starting a coal car, there is a creaking sound in the car. It's the belt that's getting old. A few dollars to replace it with a new belt. Problem can be solved. Second, when the car passes the speed bump, there is a creaking sound. Generally, it is caused by the lack of lubrication of the balance rubber sleeve. No need to replace. Take it apart and put some butter in it. Problem can be solved.
Fortunately, you are here. Otherwise, I will be tricked by them again.
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਸਮਾਂ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਨਿਕਾਹਦਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ